Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. City of beautiful ladies, beautiful ladies, city of ladyboy, city of wonderful people who love the freedom and fantasy world in Pattaya, brother. Unbelievable fantasy world in Pattaya. This is the Shahar Club. The most probably Indian club. Indian club. You can come and have a look. Lots of Indian club here. They have Indian food as well as Indian are extremely dominant in Pattaya in Thailand, brother. This is Nasha. This is Nasha Club, Indian Club. Indian Club, Nasha Tony. Okay, guys. This is a beach road area. They have lots of Indian club. If you come and check it out, bro. Hopefully you love it. Hopefully you love it, bro. Indian are extremely dominant. They have a business here, they have a restaurant, they have all big nice club now and belong to India. This is the reality. This is the present reality. Indian middle class now extremely improving, you know. So they want to go holiday near country. So their neighbor country is actually Thailand. You know. Also it's very important that basically Indian culture is a conservative culture, you know. Most of men cannot actually sex with women without married. Most of men actually cannot sex without married. You understand? So they try to find out the way to go, you know. So they come Pattaya. This is Soya Arab area, bro. As you see, this is little bit restrict. So they don't like much to show around fish. Yeah, it's very good food, man. I already eat. This is a local bar and restaurant here. As you can see, lots of ice cream. Ice cream? No. This is so many barbecue things, as you see. Unbelievable city in Pattaya in Thailand. This is inside Soy Arab or something, you know. They be scared. You know, Mr. Arab, they like secret action, you understand? Thai government understands, so they give a little bit inside Pattaya walking street. Then they do some secret action here. Unbelievable Soy Arab area. I'm walking the same place again and again. Crazy area, soy 6, soy 5. I think I go inside and come back another day. This is absolutely madness. Absolutely madness. Pattaya Thailand. Yeah, wow. She goes beautiful. So many beautiful is beautiful in Thailand, as you can know. Crazy Thailand, crazy Pattaya, crazy pretty boy people, and excellent seafood. Seafood is fucking very expensive over here. I don't know why it's fucking too much expensive. As you can see, maybe I go this way. This is absolutely madness in Pattaya, in Thailand. McDonald's. Lots of food, lots of people, as you can see there. This is absolutely normal. So you can see the McDonald's here. Arabic song, huh? Wallahi Azim. Wonderful. The Arabic music going on the whole holiday. This is excellent. Excellent, excellent. Beautiful place. Fast food. Russian club. This is the Boris club. So many ladies. It's unbelievable. No one says. Nomad stroll in a Russian club. Crazy, crazy. Unbelievable city. Crazy they go. This action start normally, you know, after 10, 11. Yeah, they start normally after 10 or 11, you know. So it goes like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. This is the crazy fucking city in Pattaya, in Thailand. As you can see, brother. Crazy, crazy. This lady looks same. Why? I don't know. They look like same both. This restaurant is very popular, wallahi azim, as you can see. Assalamu alaikum. This guy is selling some shisha, potti, that kinds of thing. Wallahi azim, wallahi khair. As you can see, there is so many shit going on here. Crazy, crazy. Absolutely mindful. Okay. As you can see, some chocolate here, eh? Coffee, China, coffee. Man, it is absolutely beautiful. Say beautiful. As you see, this is absolutely crazy. Nice ice cream. Huh? Look at that, how cute it is. It's absolutely crazy, very artful as you see. That's one is the best one, you see. Thailand, African women. MashaAllah, they know how to do business. Ice cream. Marketing is excellent, brother. So this is almost end of the day walking street. As you see guys, I go walk around, smoke some shit, drink some shit. I'm not drinking today because my voice is already fucked up and everything. So guys, how you feel my video? 4K crystal clear video, brother. Raw footage, raw travel footage for you guys. Free, darling, you guys are free. There. Salaam alaikum. This is crocodile barbecue. This is excellent. Wallah. It's a fresh, very fresh. They love it. They love it. Everyone love it. Crocodile barbecue in Pattaya in Thailand. Look at that, man. How excellent it is. This is high quality. Sawadee krap, brother. This guy is very crazy. Eh? Salam, brother. This is excellent. Excellent people sitting here. You never need to worry anything. Thailand is extremely safe country in Pattaya in Thailand. So that's why I say guys, don't worry too much. Just book airlines and fly. That's what you guys should do, man. This is unbelievable, unrealistic as city, man. Absolutely madness, absolutely crazy, man. You know, sometimes you guys come here, spend some time, you know. Hopefully you guys enjoy your time, save money, you know, have a good time with the girls, have a good time with the lady boy, whatever you like. Thailand not judge you anything, brother. While you banana stick, Thailand not judge you anything. Trust me. Your banana, you stick any place. Thailand say welcome. No problem. Your banana, you stick back direction, front direction. Wallahi, wallahi, it's up to you, brother. Okay, very open country in Thailand. Okay, guys. Hopefully, guys, enjoy my video. Definitely, you guys like my video. I know you guys are crazy for comment. Hey, you did excellent job, blah blah blah. Please start comment. Oh, Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye now.